In this video we're just going to cover how to create and edit an article within Joomla 4. The website we're using is a client that sells and rents motorhomes, and you can see here on the left we have the interface of the website that customers would see, and on the right hand side we have the administration area that the customer or ourselves would log into. So the first thing we need to do is log in, which we're going to do, and we just go to content, articles, find the article in question that we want to edit, and you'll see straight away that we're using no editor, so there's HTML code everywhere, and that just makes it easier for us to control how the page layout looks and feels. But we can just as easily turn the editor on. That's not really an issue. What I tend to do as well is I take all the content and I use an external editor. In this case I'm using HTML kit tools, and we just throw all the content straight into there like this, and you can see we haven't got a lot of content here. Right at the top it's saying awaiting content from client, so this would be where the client would put all the information in about the vehicle. After the first paragraph I tend to put a read more link in there. That's easy to do. You just go down to the bottom here and you click read more and it inserts a read more link. So if I remove that one, for example, and click it, you can see that it's added one in. And the reason for that is that on the website, when you look at the website, you can see we have lots of vehicles, and if we don't put a read more tag in there, what happens is it displays the entire content here. We don't want to display that. We just want to display something that gives people a bit of information and encourages them to click the link to open it, and then they get all the content, as you can see here. So the easiest way to do this, if you're creating a new article, is to just add the content in you want here, add the read more. You'll see we've got a lot of line breaks here. That's really just to move the content down, nothing more. And you can see here we've got an event gallery, which is the image gallery. So I'll show you how to create that now. So we'll close that, and if you go to components, event gallery, manage events, you can just create a new gallery. You can call it anything you like. Just copy that and paste that there. Make sure it's published, of course. Save and close. And then we use this button here, upload files, to add images, and we can just select any images we want from our computer, add them to the gallery. The key thing is the name of the gallery here. We would copy that and then go to the code and paste it in there. We already have one here for the Ford Rimmer. So if I just do a search for Ford Rimmer, you can see we have an image gallery there. And if I click on, I think it's this one, yeah, show files, we can see all the images for that vehicle. And you can see further down in the code here we have an embedded code for the video. And if I go to the page for the vehicle, so we go to for sale, Ford Rimmer, so we have that image there. That is, close that, content, articles. So there's the image there. We just select that from the images that we've uploaded, or we upload an image. and then put it here as well, because if we look on the website, you can see here we have an image, but then when we open the article we also have the same image, but it can actually be two different images. We set this here. When we create the article we have the intro image and then we have the full article image, so we can actually have two separate images. And if we scroll down slightly we can see the image gallery code, which is here. So we can open up one of those, no problem, and scroll through the gallery, and then further down we have the video, and that's the code for the video right there. So hopefully that helped. My suggestion would be, of course, where it says here awaiting content from client, we can just go to an existing article, for example the Ducati joint. And we can see here we have everything. We've got all the specifications, chassis manufacturer. Take all of this content and add it into this code here, and then of course change it so it matches the correct vehicle. I hope that helped, and if you've got any questions just get in touch.